Ito nga, pinagkukwentuhan kasi namin ni Paul kanina, Andrea, na sabi ko, itong podcast kasi natin, it's our way also of trying to, aside from educating the viewers, the listeners, makakakuha silang inspiration. Pangatlo, also to try to balance the imbalanced world of social media. Kasi kamukha ng, kaya ko tinanong yon dahil ang daming lumalabas sa social media ngayon. Para sa akin wrong maling pamamaraan ng pagtuturo.
I agree with you.
Yung tipong kamukha niyan, kasi pares kami ni Paul eh. You would
Guwapo.
only, aside from that,
Okay.
aside from that, we wear just normal shirts.
Yes.
No? Ikaw, witness ka dyan, ma'am. Di t-shirt lang ako, di pantalon lang ako.
Correct.
But we close deals in the millions.
Yes.
Tama?
Yes.
So you don't need branded para magawa yung mga bagay na yan. Kasi ang dami ko napapanood lately, sir. Kaya gusto rin kita talagang ma-guest eh. Kasi, paano ito? Hindi naman ito luxury brand. Ibig bang sabihin, pag nagsuot ako nito, hindi na ako makakapagsara ng deals? Kailangan ba laging luxury or branded yung damit ko na kilalang kilala para mag-stand out ako? Tama ba yun, ma'am? What do you think of that?
Okay. I'll probably get canceled with this statement.
Hindi,
By
wala.
a certain demographic.
Mm.
Tingnan mo na lang, diba? Ako, sir, I believe you get to sell and you get to lock deals because of your personality, not of what you wear.
Agree.
Naka-Apple Watch nga lang tayo, sir.
Ako nga wala eh.
Diba? Yes, I agree that you can reward yourself with luxury brands, but it's more for you rather than outward. So for me, yung tipong magsusot ka kasi ay para pansinin ka, para sinuhin ka. Get to a point na hindi ka sisinuhin not because may suot kang brand, but because of who you are, kung sino ka bilang tao.
Yes.
Hindi mo kailangan ng kung ano-anong brand eh. Dapat pag meron ka ng certain reputation, hindi mo kailangan magsuot ng branded eh. So, though it takes longer, mas mahirap. Kasi tama naman, sisinuhin ka minsan pag wala kang suot and whatsoever. Pero sino ka bang klaseng tao? And pag kilala ka and word goes around that you're that, kahit wala kang suot na luxury or kahit anong brand, okay lang eh.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct.
So, yun yung sa akin. So, I know, ngayon sa social media, kumakalat, kailangan ganitong relo,
Oo.
kailangan ganitong sapatos,
Totoo.
kailangan
Alam mo, nung napanood ko din yan, sir, na-bother ako talaga.